my name is Greg Lowe, Risk Coordinator for Sunrise Cooperative. Today we're at our Green Springs branch to talk about anhydrous ammonia. Anhydrous ammonia is a widely used source of nitrogen fertilizer. Anhydrous ammonia has many advantages. Easy application, and it's a good source of nitrogen. There is one big disadvantage to anhydrous ammonia. It is probably the most dangerous chemical you will handle in the agricultural business. Therefore, employees need to be trained in the safe handling and proper personal protective equipment needed to handle anhydrous ammonia. Why is anhydrous ammonia so dangerous? It's made up of two chemicals, 1 part nitrogen, 3 parts hydrogen. The liquid is colorless, even though you can see the vapor. It also has a pungent odor. Anhydrous ammonia is stored under pressure. If a hose ruptures or a valve is unintentionally opened, the high pressure from the tank can cause ammonia to spray into your eyes, face, and other parts of your body before you can react. When pressure is released, liquid anhydrous ammonia quickly converts to a gas. Anhydrous means without water. Consequently, when anhydrous ammonia comes into contact with any moisture, the water and ammonia rapidly combine. When injected into the soil, the liquid ammonia expands into a gas and is readily absorbed into the soil moisture. With that being said, if it should come into contact with your eyes, skin, or mucous membranes, ammonia will cause rapid dehydration and severe burns as it combines with the moisture of your body. Anhydrous ammonia boils at minus 28 degrees Fahrenheit. It must be kept under pressure to be stored as a liquid above this temperature. When the liquid ammonia strikes the skin, it can instantly freeze, causing severe burns to whatever area of the body it comes into contact with. To protect yourself, always wear a long sleeve shirt, non-vented goggles, and chemical-resistant gloves made of PVC. Never wear regular chemical gloves to handle anhydrous ammonia. When putting on the gloves, always roll the cuffs up. This will keep the ammonia from running down the gloves and onto your arm in the event you spill some on the gloves. Anhydrous ammonia is an inhalation hazard. If inhaled, the person must get to fresh air immediately. Seek medical attention if needed. If anhydrous ammonia enters the eyes, you will need large quantities of water to flush the eyes for 15 minutes. Never wear contact lenses when handling anhydrous ammonia. If ammonia was to get into the eye, it could melt the contact lens to the eye. Seek medical attention immediately for anhydrous ammonia in the eyes. If the skin is affected by anhydrous ammonia, liquid or a large concentration of vapor, use large amounts of water to flush the affected area. If a safety shower is unavailable, use any means of water. It can be a garden hose, it can be a creek that you have to get into, or it can also be a pond if one is available. You may also use your water jug. Water will thaw clothes that may freeze to the skin. Also, never use any salves or ointments on an anhydrous ammonia burn. If the victim's clothes are frozen to him from anhydrous ammonia, use large amounts of water to help thaw the clothing. That way you can take the clothing off and not peel skin off with it. Now that we know of the hazards and the properties of anhydrous ammonia, let's take a look at the tank. Water is essential when handling anhydrous ammonia. Therefore, each tank has 5 gallons of emergency water on board. The first valve we have here is the liquid withdrawal valve. That is where you will hook up to your toolbar. The next valve we have is the liquid fill valve, and then we have a vapor valve. We also have a pressure valve that tells what the pressure is inside the tank. This is very important to watch. As the temperature rises during the day, the pressure can rise. If the pressure reaches 250 pounds, the pop-off at the back of the tank will go out, releasing the pressure inside the tank. Please keep in mind that there will be liquid and vapor both coming out of the pop-off. Please use caution around this pop-off. The last gauge that I want to talk about today is the liquid level gauge. That will tell you the percent and amount inside the tank. When hooking up to a tank, always make sure your hose is connected tightly to the liquid withdrawal valve. Once the valve is tight, check and make sure that your spitter valves are closed. When you open the tank slowly. There is an excess flow valve that will slam shut if the valve is opened too quickly. When you are done, close the liquid withdrawal valve completely. Make sure to open your spitter valves before unhooking the hose to release the pressure that is left inside the lines. Once you've done that, unhook your hose, take the orange dust cap and replace it back on the liquid valve. Transportation of an anhydrous ammonia tank on the road is very important. Always pull an anhydrous ammonia wagon at 25 miles an hour. Never exceed that speed limit. Always maintain your wagons, checking your lugs, wheel bearings. Also make sure that your bolts are in the running gear and they are not broken or missing. The hitch pin is a very important part to safe transportation. Always make sure that you have a safety clip in the hitch pin when towing an anhydrous ammonia trailer. Also make sure the safety chains are hooked and secured to the vehicle that is towing it. This is a quick coupler on the back of a toolbar. This is another place where injuries have occurred. The quick coupler is designed to hook up from the tank to the toolbar. Injuries have occurred when the quick coupler comes apart. If the anhydrous tank, for some reason, should come apart from the toolbar, the quick coupler is designed to snap off. When injuries occur, people try to put the quick coupler back together without releasing the pressure from inside the lines. Anhydrous ammonia is the most hazardous chemical you will work with in the agricultural business. Always make sure to wear your gloves and goggles and long sleeve shirt when handling anhydrous ammonia. Make sure to have water available in case of an accident. Make sure that your equipment is well maintained and follow all safety rules.